Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the bright white and it looks great, very sleek and nice looking. You do have that chrome accenting up on the grille with the Jeep logo there, and you do also have projector style halogen headlights there, and you do have your fog lights just down there as well. Now coming around the side, we do have 18-inch tires. They are Goodyear Wrangler brand. They have lots of tread left on them, and those rims look great in the silver. Very nice accenting to the rest of the vehicle. You do have heated exterior mirrors right here as well. You got the Grand Cherokee logo down on the bottom. And now coming around the back, we do have the Laredo logo, the Jeep logo, and the 4x4 logo. Now you can open this guy up just like that, as long as it's unlocked. And you do have a lot of room back here. Lots and lots. It's very soft. If you are hauling anything back here, it won't get scratched up. Those seats can fold forward as well. You got some additional storage in here and a little flashlight if you needed it. And you can also just lift this guy up like that. And you do have your spare tire right underneath. And you also have a little bit of extra storage right there. Okay, we got our keys here. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Remote start is especially nice in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you. You won't have to go outside in your pajamas and start it up, and it'll be nice and toasty. Now it also comes with proximity keyless entry, so if the key is on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock. And you do have the button to lock it if you did want. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. As well, you do have a bit of that chrome accenting right up here. You got a handle here and a little bit of wood look up here. It makes it look very nice. It is very soft here as well, leather, and very comfortable. You do have a bit of additional storage down here with a water bottle holder. And you do have electric seats here, so here's your lumbar support. And then you have backward and forward as well as the tilt right there. Now the seat is very soft. The interior is very comfortable. It'll be nice on long car trips, very comfortable to sit on, soft to the touch. You do also have the controls over your seats here, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all hanging out here with your in-cabin light control right there. And up here we do also have the controls over our turning signal, our high beams, and as well our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. So it is proximity key, so all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and we are good to go. Okay, in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. You got a very nice large cluster display in the middle. Tells you all sorts of stuff, so your range, you got the temperature outside, you have how many kilometers we've been, which is only 64,000, not very many. Also, which gear we're in. You can change that from a couple different options. You can do that look if you like it better, or the other one. Then you also have your screen set up. You have stored messages. You have what audio we're on. You have your trip A as well as your trip B. You got your fuel economy. You have your vehicle info. And you can change it from miles per hour to kilometers if you wanted to. And that is all controlled from your steering wheel right here, as well as you got your call out, your voice recognition, your hang up, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. You got some paddle shifters if you did want to go into manual mode, which is always fun. Now in the center here we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display, so you do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media devices. If you have one hooked up through your USB SD card, you have also aux cord and Bluetooth. If you have a phone hooked up, you can access all that stuff right through here, as well as you got your compass, your climate control. It is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. And you also have your more options right there. Now down here we also have our volume up and down, plus the mute, the screen off, the hazard lights, the back button, and the browser right there. We also have our AC and our circulation. You have your heat up and down for your dual climate. You got this guy, which is your power up and down, your off, your auto, and then you also have your front and rear defrost, your eco mode, and your traction control. And we can also open this guy up, and we do have right in there, we have an aux cord, an SD card slot, we have our USB and a plug-in. And then in the center you do have 2 cup holders, plus your gear shift. Just goes down like that and then pops back into place. Very cool. You also got a bit of additional storage right here. And in here you do have a dual layer glove box, so there's your top layer and your bottom layer. Lots of room in there. And you also have right over here a locking glove box with your owner's manual inside of it. Lots of room in there as well. And then up top, you do have the controls over your lights, and you have a sunglass holder. Let's open this guy up. Now in the back, you do have that same chrome accenting on here, as well as that wood. You got the same leather, very soft, and you do also have your controls over your windows right here. You have some storage down here with that water bottle holder, and lots of leg room, tons and tons. It'd be good for trips and whatnot, and you still got all that room in the back. You can fold this guy down just like this, and you got an armrest with some cup holders as well. You can fold this forward, like I said before, and then you got even more room to store whatever you might need to if you need to store something a little bit bigger. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.